So let's get some materials set up so we can use them in assignments. So I have shared with Sterling and I've created a folder for everyone. And so within this one, we're going to have a new folder and let's call it Art of Problem Solving. Okay, so within this new folder, I'm going to go and grab a file. So I do File, Upload. So I'm on a Mac, but just and so let's say I'm going to go to pre-algebra, and I think they're in chapter 5. So let's say we just grab that one. And so I've got all these files scanned in. So I'm going to take 5.6. And so that'll be available for us later. We'll look at that in another video. And there's our uploaded file that we can use in an assignment.